Okay, so here's our cute one we're making. Oh, here, let me tell you this real quick. Oh, see, that blue board had this really nice ribbon around it, and the ribbon came off, we're gonna use hot glue to put it on, but the ribbon came off really easy, so I can even reuse this ribbon.
Oh, excellent.
Yeah, and this is a little bit more expensive ribbon, obviously.
Yeah.
And so it's pretty great that I have that back and I can reuse that too. That saves me money.
There you go.
Yay!
We love the saving money part. We love
Yes.
that.
Okay, this guy.
Is cool. This is way cool.
I'll take him apart to show you what he's made of, because he's an odd shape, right? Okay, I'm making a mess of the floor.
What kind of cake was on this? What shape?
This was an oval cake. This was a wedding where it had 2 oval side cakes, satellite cakes, and then it had a 3-tier round middle cake.
Okay.
So, so I had to make oval boards, and that's kind of harder to get a hold of. It's really a pain in the rear to
find oval cake
to
boards?
find oval cake boards. So it's much easier just to make them yourself.
Really?
And you do that using, if I can get this uncovered, because I did kind of a powerful job of getting this on here, insulation board.
Insulation board?
There's 2 thicknesses of it here. Get this stuff at your home improvement stores. You can kind of see the start of the Pink Panther right there.
Uh-huh.
See him? Yeah. It's plastic coated, which I'm ripping off, but it's really strong. And again,
This is, hold on a second, this is all new. Insulation board?
insulation board.
Is there an insulation board aisle? What-
Yes.
Where would,
All the insulation products. It's all there. It comes in,
Okay.
sometimes it comes in squares, sometimes it comes in ginormous sheets that you can have them cut in half so you can even get them in your car. Yeah, so.
is it
and you
like
can
styrofoam? What is it?
feel it.
Let me see.
Yeah, it's super strong.
Oh, I'm checking it.
It's crazy strong.
Wow.
Yeah, it's good stuff.
Wow. Does it come in that shape, or did you have them cut?
No, I had to see, I mean, you can kind of see my Sharpie marker line,
Okay.
right? Because I have a set of pans that are ovals like this, and so I took the largest one and just traced around it.
You
and
traced
then,
around your pan.
Yeah.
Oh, very cool.
And then cut it. Now I have a bandsaw, so I was able to cut these like
Right.
super fast. But you can do it with a serrated cake knife.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Or your samurai sword, if you prefer.
Machete.
It's whatever you
Katana. What do my kids would always call
Katana?
it? Can I have a katana? Like,
Katana.
no, you can't. But see, this is easy to pierce with your dowel.
Yeah.
Also.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's kind of like styrofoam-like.
Yeah. But it's more dense, so it's even
Yeah.
stronger.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's not going anywhere.
No. Super stiff.
And yet
Okay.
light. Very cool.
All right. God, this dowel's getting all kinds of work today.
Yeah.
All right. Let's do some ribbon. Let me put these 2 guys away.